Today is I believe it's our 7th annual fundraiser that we're having. It's open to the public. We opened this morning at 8 o'clock sharp, and it'll be open tonight until 6. We're also open on Saturday, and we'll be here from 8 to 5 on Saturday, and that's the end of our sale after tomorrow afternoon. We have the best selection this year we have ever had. We have anywhere from trees and shrubs to we had strawberries, blueberries. We have all sorts of bedding plants. We have annuals, we've got perennials, we've got most anything. We've got the best selection of vegetable plants that you will find anywhere, so they just need to come down. A lot of these plants now, the vegetable plants for instance, we grew all the vegetable plants from seed ourselves. We started back in the latter part of February, and we have our peppers, our tomatoes, we all grew up from seed. Now, a lot of the plants that we have out here on the grounds, some of these were donated to us. We also went down to Auburn about I believe it was last weekend we went down, and after their plant sale, Auburn donated a lot of plants for our plant sale. We do a lot of scholarships for the colleges, and so they try to keep us in mind. A lot of the plants were donated from people's yards. They went out and dug up part of their plants. We propagated them here, we repotted, and we have been doing this since October of last year.